Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set your wallet display and trading currency on the blockchain wallet application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should click on this home button down below on the left side corner of the screen, and then click on the profile icon in the upper right corner. Then you should scroll down to the preferences section, and here you can see two options: wallet display currency. As you tap on it, you can see all of the available ones. You can also use the search bar at the top of the screen to search for the currency you would like to set, then click on the relevant one, and then you will be directed to the preferences section, in which you can find a trading currency that you can also set. Here you have three options you can choose from. Click on the relevant one and then it will be updated automatically. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.